So, unang-unang tanong ko is, naniniwala ka ba na magic ang music? At kung oo, sa paanong paraan?
Naniniwala ba ako na magic ang music? Ano yung, in your terms, siguro, ano yung included dun sa magic? What makes it magic?
Yung
Like,
bang,
ano yung parameters niya?
kumbaga yung experience sa music, or
Okay.
para bang kung sa process man yun, o sa mismong pagpakikinig, o kumbaga sa music in general, na para bang it's
Wow.
out of this world, or
Wow.
parang beyond comprehension yung mga nangyayari.
I think magic yan because it gives a little glimpse into the soul. And when you see a soul, alam mo yun, when it reveals itself to you through music, parang ganun. I think it's really important for us to know rin yung perspective ng artist. So, I think music is magic, dog. Music is magic. Kasi
Napakaganda.
nagre-resonate rin siya sa mga essential psychological needs ng to be a human, you know.
Totoo.
To
Parang walang
express
taong
yourself.
hindi talaga naapekto ng music eh. No?
Oo. Kasi it's emotion eh. It deals with emotions eh.
Totoo.
So I guess kung, we have to deal with physical reality, engineering, science, mathematics. We have to deal rin with parang our spiritual and, our spiritual, help me out here.
Parang spiritual discovery, or parang spiritual journey.
Journey or
Or
nutrition ng spiritual natin.
Yun talagang pinaka natutulong ng music na kumbaga para
Yeah.
it really feeds the soul. Napakagandang sagot sa unang tanong. So medyo atras naman tayo ng onte.